so insane. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy 2025. Obviously the New Year is like already started, but I wanted to start with like the first full week. So today is Tuesday, the 7th of January, and this is like the first full week of the New Year from Monday to Friday. So I'm gonna be vlogging a lot of New Year stuff. I'm so excited. Didn't really get to introduce myself. If you didn't know me, hi, my name is Shari. I am taking a gap year this year, which is about to end in a few months, which is crazy. And this vlog will be released in around late January, so if you're watching this, just know that it's not too late to start. That's the reason why I'm still releasing this video. It's never too late to start on anything. On anything you want to start in the new year, on writing your goals for the new year. It's fine if it's February, like who cares? You can start in February, you can start now. I feel really good about this year, and there's gonna be a lot of change, but I'm actually really excited for it, and I'm excited to document it as well. The past year has been a roller coaster for me. I mean, I was on a gap year, so that's more than enough to explain it. This is actually the first vision board that I've ever made physically, which is insane. Like, this is a board with like every single one of like my goals, which is like crazy. As soon as you watch this video, you can start writing down your goals and writing down your plans, and just having that hopeful mentality, because the more you worry, worrying does not add a single hour to your life. Instead of doing that, it's a lot easier to just try and surrender a lot more of the future and just learn that everything will be in its place by the end of the year, and try to be optimistic about it. Good morning. Just know that it's okay to take things slow at times, but also know when you're ready to level up as well, because sometimes we just need that extra push of ourselves to get to the next stage of who we're meant to be. So without further ado, let's get on with the rest of the vlog. One of the things that I'm doing for the new year is washing the car. We're just gonna wait here for the other person to finish. And my mom's here with me because I've never done this before, so I need help. Because look at the machines on that thing. We're gonna like experience our first car wash in the driver's seat together. So we'll see. I've never done this before. This is why I need help. I'm so lost right now. If I did this by myself, I would actually like freak out. Okay, so now we're gonna drive in. Straight.
Nakasarado lahat ng window.
Yeah. Oh my days. I can't turn on the music. What's this? It just keeps getting louder. actually the best decision ever. So I just basically have been doing uni preparations. And I was also working on a PowerPoint because I'm going to be giving a talk this Saturday for my youth group. So that's going to be really exciting. I'm really proud of how the PowerPoint looks. I'm like so proud. Like it's chef's kiss. Like when I finished, I was like, I don't know. When you finish something, it just feels so good. So now I just have to practice that talk. Hi everyone! I'm recording on my phone because I was way too nervous to bring a flat camera to a public space, but we're gonna get there. The car is so hot. It's dead summer. Oh, it's summer where I live, by the way. And I feel really good. Like, I don't know, go to the library. It actually is like really nice. I will do a solo driving video. If you didn't know, when you're driving, you have so many obstacles. Like that girl literally rode her scooter right in front of me. And she did not care. Oh, there's the police. All right, I'll see you guys in the restaurant for real now. So as you saw from the last few clips, I took a fat nap because I stayed up last night, and I shouldn't do that because one of my goals for this year is really to start sleeping early and waking up early. I didn't stay up scrolling or anything. I just stayed up kind of being too slow with my night routine. That's literally the reason. Like I was like, what made me stay up last night? And I don't even know. I just like took my time. Also, I wrote a song yesterday and that lasted till like 10, so that's probably why I slept later than usual. Love writing songs. I'm gonna do more later, but yeah, more on that another topic. I track all my habits on my calendar. If you notice, yellow is my morning and night routine, orange is my stretching.
So we're going to start seated, and you can sit anywhere. You can do this sitting in a chair, helping blood flow. You can help decrease your...
Pink is my singing. The sky is green, the grass is red, problems are all solvable. And pink heart means I wrote a song. So now I'm going to be reading to you guys something that really stood out to me today. A passage from The Joy of the In-Between by Ashley Hetherington. She's so cool. Day 19, when God cleans house. And the verse is, and no one puts new wine into old wineskins, for the old skins would burst from the pressure, spilling the wine and ruining the skins. New wine is stored in new wineskins so that both are preserved. And that's from the book of Matthew, chapter 9, verse 17. Everyone has one room or closet where we throw everything we don't know what to do with. For me, that room was my office. Once the accumulated stuff became overwhelming, I knew I had to set aside time to clean it out and make the space more livable. Before I could add anything new to the room, I first had to get rid of the old things I didn't need. For God to do a new thing in our lives, He first must get rid of the old. He has to clear out the stuff we've stockpiled or those old items we never use anymore. This is all so that He can make room for the new gifts He wants to bring us. He might ask us to let go of old relationships that were never good for us, or old positions that we have outgrown. He might strip away things we thought would be forever. But perhaps those things were only supposed to be in our lives for a season. Sometimes, what we think is meant to be with us for life, God wants in our lives only for a season. This kind of work is painful, but when we release our hold on our old baggage and what we don't need anymore, our hands become open to the new gifts and opportunities God might have for us. Okay, so I have some advice on people that are very reminiscent on clothes. Basically, tell yourself you can only keep a top 5 or a top 10 because it then brings your mind to the ones that are really special to you, like the clothes that you really want to keep, and it really like makes your brain think, oh, this is my top 10 or this is my top 5, and everything else that isn't your top 10 or top 5, like clothes in your like maybe pile or clothes in your like reminiscing pile, then you can throw it away, because at the end of the day you're not gonna be able to wear them again and they're like worn out already. So you should really consider like which ones you should keep and which ones you shouldn't, and because again it's taking up space and we're trying to like get out of the old and in with the new, and we're gonna see which clothes we end up throwing. Mother came in with a package for me, so let's open it. Guys, I got a new phone case. Honestly, I'm probably going to return it because if you look up close, there's actually a lot of scratches on the case. So, and I'm very sad actually. I'm like low-key very disappointed. Anyways, as you can see, I took a fat shower because after decluttering my closet, I felt so dirty and sweaty and exhausted. So I was like, I just need to freshen up. So very happy that I did that. And I feel like that's all for today. I'm just gonna wind down, practice my talk, and I will see you tomorrow because I have very important agendas booked for tomorrow. In his sweet grace, he gets rid of the old to make room for the new. New people, new blessings, new gifts. So as we sit in the waiting, let's allow ourselves to release the old and welcome the new with open arms. It might be even better and even more beautiful than we could ever have expected. That is actually such a beautiful passage to start off 2025. And it's just a reminder for everyone that it is time to let go of things that don't serve us anymore and to welcome in new things. If you put new wine into old wineskins, it's not gonna work. The wineskins are gonna burst. New wine needs to be put into new wineskins. That is insane. I was like, that's cool. And that means that we need to do that in our lives. We can't expect new things to come to us if we're still clinging on to the old. So this is a reminder to learn to let go of the old things that should be kept in the past. Things that you should leave behind in 2024 because we need to make room for the new blessings to come to us for this year, which is so beautiful. Out of the old and in with the new. Out of the old, I've gotta find my way. Into the new, give anything it takes. If anyone knows that song, you're a real one. This passage was really good. It was so heartwarming to me. It literally, like, God's timing is so perfect. Like, he literally made sure that today I would read this exact passage. And I'm literally decluttering my closet today. Not just for cleaning, but also for the untangible things that we need to let go of as well.